Welcome to Meelko Pellet Mills. Are you looking for a reliable and efficient way to produce high-quality animal feed pellets? Our electric pellet mill flat die with control panel is specifically designed for animal feed use, perfect for farmers and animal breeders who want to provide their animals with the best possible nutrition. With our machine, you can easily produce pellets from a variety of ingredients, including corn, soybean meal, wheat bran, cottonseed meal, alfalfa, minerals, vitamins, and salt. Simply measure and mix the ingredients, grind them into a fine powder, and feed them into the machine. The Meelko pellet mill will then compress the mixture through a die to form uniform pellets, which can be cooled and dried to remove excess moisture. Our pellet mills offer several benefits, including efficiency and ease of use, consistent and uniform pellets, customizable pellet recipes to cater to specific nutritional needs. Whether you're a small-scale farmer or a large-scale animal feed producer, our pellet mills are designed to meet your needs. For more information, visit our warehouse or visit our website at www.meelko.com. Email us at info@meelko.com. Thank you for choosing Meelko.